Hey guys, we're here today at 4325 Lennox Drive. We're here with Hao and Jin, and they're moving from Chicago. So they came to see this house. What did you guys think about it?
Yeah, we really like this place. It's pretty spacious and a lot of sunlight brings in this beautiful area. And then I think it's just gorgeous. And we love the taste of the previous owner. They have all collections of the good antique things, and also we love the fact that they put the mezzanine space into a study space, so that you can, while you are working, and also have a view of the whole space, which we feel is very good idea.
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
For me, obviously the pool. It is so great, and also all the other plants around you.
Yeah.
And also, I personally like the kitchen very much. It is spacious, and you can do anything, everything in the kitchen. I think we can have a dinner for 10 or more.
Yeah, we can host a
together.
small party for
Yeah.
10+ people at home,
Yes.
and then everybody can grab what they want and freely talk to each other, and then that's gonna be a great party.
Yeah,
It is
really
truly a
perfect.
great hobby.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys. Hopefully you guys will buy it and then we'll do your welcome party here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.